Hello there, it's Mark from Set My Site, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share a file with us from Dropbox as well as sharing a file folder with us from Dropbox. So I am logged into my Dropbox account and I've got a bunch of random stuff in here. Let's say I wanted to share this PDF here with someone. Well, all I would need to do here is hover over that PDF and look for this triple dot icon that appears on the top right. I would click on that and that brings a drop down menu up and there's a share option here. I'll click on the share option and that's going to bring up a couple of settings here. So one way to do it is to email it to someone. I typically don't prefer to use this method. What I like to do to have a little bit more control is actually generate a link. That way I have a single link and I can then email it to anyone I want, or I can send it to someone through Google Chat or Facebook messaging or some other messaging application. I'm not just limited to using email. So I do like to have a link that I can use and that I can send again to anyone. So it says no link created yet. So all you got to do is locate the little option that says create a link and click on that. It comes up with a little other option. Anyone can view this link, that's fine. You're only going to share it with a select number of people. So at that point, you've created a link. So click on copy link and it says link copied to your clipboard. So it generates this link for you. So in order to test out this link, I'll just open up another browser here so we can do a little test, and I'll paste it and take a look. So here it is. Here's the file that I shared with myself by creating that link. And now I have access to that file and I can then easily download it, or whoever you share the link with, of course, can then download that file just by clicking on the download button, which is typically the end goal. So the same process is done with an entire folder. So if you have an entire folder that you want to share with somebody, let's say, for example, this FBI medical supplies folder, there's a bunch of pictures and documents and stuff in this one, but I don't want to create an individual link for each photo. So what I'll do is I'll create a single link that will link to everything within that folder. Same idea, I'll hover over that option. I'll hover over that folder, click on the triple dot icon that appears, click on share, and again, it creates this option where I can email this to someone or I can create a link. So it looks like I've already created a link for this particular folder. That's why the link settings are automatically appear. Otherwise, you'll see something that says create a link, right? And then you click on that and then you'll see this kind of stuff. So since I've already clicked on the create a link button for this particular folder, all I got to do is go over here and copy that link. And now it says it's copied to my clipboard. Now, if I'm going to go and email this to a friend or send this to somebody in a messaging application, for example, you could just right click and paste, or, use Command V or Control V, depending on if you're using a Mac or a Windows machine. But basically, yeah, you just paste it like you do anything else, and then just paste that into an email and then send it. And then whoever receives that link will be able to download everything in that folder. So that's about it. Hopefully this was helpful, and thank you guys for watching.